So on the 21st of March I was at Perth going to see some of the trains there. However, my first catch today was 1885, the 1246 ScotRail service to Aberdeen from Glasgow Queen Street with 17406. And then it says 1B52, the 1255 ScotRail service to Edinburgh from Inverness with 43143 and 43037. Then it says 1T78, the 1300 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street from Inverurie with 43131 and 43151. Then this is 4A13, the early 1353 turned up at 1309 direct rail service to Aberdeen Caginches DRS from Grangemouth TDG SDG DRS with 68001. Then this is 186, the 1343 ScotRail service to Aberdeen from Glasgow Queen Street with 43150 and 43126. Then it says 1T79, the 1404 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street from Aberdeen with 170,471. Then it says 1897, the 1448 ScotRail service to Aberdeen from Glasgow Queen Street with 43177 and 43127. Then it says 1T80, the 1455 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street from Inverness with 158712 and 158719. Then it says 1T82, the 1503 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street from Aberdeen with 43176 and 43146. Then this is 1H41, the 1509 ScotRail service to Inverness from Edinburgh with 17404. And then with epic pigeon bowlage moment and 37025 in the background, 1H41 then departed on time at 1512 onward to Inverness. If you're interested in the video with 37025 in it, that'll be linked in the description.